mama call, see you on TV, sunset done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard for go to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look we made it. Yeah, we made it.
I dare you to tell me that I don't look like a snack, like a whole snack, like somebody's whole wife. I look like a bride. I look like somebody's bride. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Your girl is back with another tutorial, looking like somebody's whole wife. Like if somebody was to propose to me today, the wedding is also today. Like I'm sorry, I'm ready to go down the aisle looking like this. What do you mean? Look at these curls, look at this beat. Please tell me that I don't look like someone's wife. So as you can tell, I'm extremely gassed because your girl is looking cute today. If you saw me how I looked like 2 hours ago,
oh my god.
So if you want to know how I got this beat, how I got my hair to look this cute, then keep on watching. I'm going to show you my makeup, my hair, and also I'm going to show you an outfit. So make sure to subscribe, like and comment for more of these videos. If you like the whole concept of the makeup, hair, outfit, then let me know. And without further ado, let's look cute, let's get cute, let's get cute, eh? So I'm gonna start off with the hair. I always do my hair first before I do my makeup because then it has time to like settle. It takes time to look this cute, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is what it looked like when I first got it. You guys went in when I posted this on Instagram, so yeah, this is the same wig. But so the info on the tea on this hair, this wig is from Premier Lace Wigs, the sponsor of this video. You guys can see for yourself. It's so pretty, like it's flowy. I've had it for about maybe 2 months now and it's still bomb. Like it's minimal shedding. The lace is amazing. It's really easy to work with. Like honestly, it's a dream. It's just a dream. I just curled it with a normal barrel that I got from Amazon. It's like £20 and it's really good. I've had it for like 2-3 years now. This is 150% density hair and I think it's about 24 inches. This hair is a 360 lace wig. The lace goes all the way to the back. You can tie up and all of that. Like honestly, if you don't have a 360 lace wig, at least one, then you childish. Like I'm playing. But honestly, if you're looking to buy a new wig, I'd definitely recommend 360 wigs like this one because it's just so versatile. Like when you can literally do whatever you want with it. You can have half up, half down hair. You can have obviously it all out. You can have it all up. You can have it in a bun. It's really a different hairstyle for every mood you're in. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the rest of the video.
Call, see you on TV, sunset done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard for go to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look we made it.
lip is cute. Is there anything that Pretty Little Thing can't do? Because I'm confused. They're actually doing makeup now and it's lit. This colour is so nice. So pretty. I don't know about you, but I feel cute. I feel real cute. Girl. Autumn is not ready for me. Oh, look at my hair. Look at my hair. Girl. I look like a snack. I look like somebody's whole wife. Somebody's whole ass wife. Let me put my earrings on. I dare you to tell me that I don't look like a snack. Like a whole snack. Like somebody's whole wife. That's how I'm looking today. Somebody's whole bride. Like, I'm ready to walk down the aisle today. Like, if someone was supposed to propose, like, the wedding is today. Like, what do you mean? The wedding is today. I look like a bride. I look like somebody's bride.
My mama called, see you on TV, sunset change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I would be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changing, look, we made it.
This dress is from Sorel UK. This jacket is from Pretty Little Thing. My trainers are from boohoo.com. And my bag is from Mango. This is my autumn outfit. Cute, cozy, warm. You can obviously swap the trainers with heels or shoes that you prefer. But I think it just looks really like effortless and chic, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys like this outfit. I hope you like this makeup and this hair. And yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
Put you like this to the sky.